Here is the July reading for July 27, 2026. The rolling 30-day window now carries 703 screen signals, plus 22 since the prior edition. About 23.4 screen signals a day made this window. Material closes at 133, plus 5, intelligence reaches 394, plus 12, network moves to 86, plus 4, and diversity lands at 90, plus 1. The shape is widening material and widening intelligence against concentrating network and concentrating diversity. Capability is still arriving faster than distribution. The new pressure point is Nvidia-backed Sutskever's lab with Vera Rubin systems. It enters through intelligence and this receipt marks it concentrating. The source level read is this: the window is narrowing as frontier intelligence becomes bound to the few firms that control the compute stack. That makes the real question concrete: who can use the capability, who owns the bottleneck, and whether access widens with performance. A faster machine is impressive. A wider field is progress. Conscience stays balanced at 44 out of 100. Widening signals lead concentrating ones by 90. Balance does not mean settled, diversity is still concentrating and network is still concentrating. For Nvidia-backed Sutskever's lab with Vera Rubin systems, watch whether new capacity lowers the entry price, spreads decision rights, and gives affected people a real appeal path. Hope belongs in the mechanism, not merely in the launch post. Today's discipline is to trace Nvidia-backed Sutskever's lab with Vera Rubin systems past the headline. Count the new capacity, then count the people who can reach it. If performance rises while participation narrows, the technology won and the system lost. The better path is not mysterious: make access, accountability, and shared benefit part of the engineering brief. For the detailed source-by-source Cure evidence, watch today's The Cure Protocol. The link is below this video, where the fresh research, limits, and next targets are laid out in full.